Hello dear shoppers! Samahan niyo akong mag-unbox ng L3-sided 3000 watts. Tayo ay naka 5 years warranty and all set na siya. Included na rito ang kanya solar lights. 297mm by 234mm and 62mm ang kanyang sukat. At ang kanyang bracket for solar lights. Remote control with complete accessories, batteries, and pagtanasa. Siyempre ang kanyang solar panel, 235mm by 350mm ang kanyang sukat. And of course, ang kanyang bracket. Save up to 100% electricity bills, plus 10 years of free lighting. Why you love it, mga ka-shoppers? Super bright, all-night light, 10 hours for 15 hours runtime, rain or shine. IP67 waterproof, built for outdoor durability. Of course, smart remote control, adjustable brightness, plus set timers 3 hours, 6 hours to 8 hours. 5-minute setup, no wiring, and adjustable panel. What you see, what you get tayo dito mga ka-shopper, and direct factory part. Mga ka-shoppers, makikita nyo kung gaano naman siya kaliwanag. Ay, tumatagal siya ng 14 to 18 hours. Kaya't ano pang inaantay nyo mga ka-shoppers? Check out now!